guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do 5 easy tricks on fidget spinners. So the first one is to do, so you get your fidget spinner, it can be whatever, I just got this one. So you spin it and then you just go like that. So the second one is to do it on your forehead. So you just go back, put your fidget spinner right there, and then you spin it. There you go. Third one is to do it on your knee. So you will get it, you put your fidget spinner right here, and then you got your index finger, and then you just put it there, and then you spin it. There you go. Fourth one is spin it, and then you put it on the table. Wait. Is you put it on the table like I just did, and then you just, and then you know the little circle in the middle? Make sure it takes half of it so you can like get it with this, and then it will be still spinning. But if I don't do it right, it's okay. Everybody makes mistakes. Nobody's perfect in this world. There we go. I did it. Fifth one. The last one. The perfect one. Do it on your pinky. People say this is hard, but it's really not. You just have to balance yourself. Make sure you're not, and make sure you're not moving or anything. So you spin it with the wrong finger, and then you just. Wait, let me do this again. And then just like that. One more time. So, please subscribe and comment and like to my channel, and if I get to 50, or if I get 20 to 50 subscribers, comment below what you want me to do next, and smack that like button, and also hit that subscribe button. Tell me what to do.